abeerrao, and I'm sorry if my voice is echoing, but let's get started. Today I just want to show you this thing of the Flask blogging application that I have built. It is a full-featured blogging application. You have users, you can register them, log in, post, comments, all of that real cool stuff. So let me just take you through the code real quick. And I have organized it all in one file, not in like separate files, and then imported them as modules. Okay, so like first 17, 18 lines we have pure imports, right? We have the imports here, and then we are just initializing our application here, and then what we're doing is this user loader is for logging the users in. Then this is basically the SQLite database models that we are using. This is the blog post, the user, the login user, the comment. This login user is for the GitHub login, but right now it's not working. I'm working on it. The comments, the registration form, the login form, update account, and add comment. Those are all the forms. And here we have the routes. This is the home route. We just return index.html, which we have right over here, index.html, and we have this base.html, and then we're using the Jinja2 syntax to extend upon it. Pretty cool. Okay, we have all these different routes. We are taking the IDs, integer IDs, and we are doing stuff with them. And yep, this is the login, the register. This is to save the account picture that the user has uploaded, and this is just a log out, and this is where it runs. So let me just run it. Okay, here we are. Let's go to this. It's localhost. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, go to my YouTube. It should redirect me. Yep, here it is. Subscribe. Okay, now we have the register, the login, post, and the contact me, my YouTube, my Twitter, and my Instagram. So we can just register new user. We can say, let's give it a new name. We will do bot1234. We will do bot@bots.com. Password, no, I'll just do 1234. And it says here already have an account. Wait, let me just highlight it. Yeah, already have an account, sign in. I accidentally made the text white, so this works. Okay, if we just sign up, not now, account created for bot1234, you can now log in. So the email was bot@bots.com, and the password was 1234. Just hello here for GitHub and Google login. Anyways, let's hit on login, and we are redirected to our account. So here is our account info. It says bot1234. Let's make it bot123. Boom, bot123. And this is the default profile picture that I've provided. I can update the account, and I can update my email, bots@bots.com, and I can choose a new profile picture. Okay, let's just go to my desktop and see if I have anything. Do I have anything here? Yeah, let's just put this. It's my notes. Okay, so you can see that the account picture has indeed changed, and we can also delete my account, but I will do that later. And on the top it says logged in as bot123. Okay, let's go to posts. We can write a new post. We'll say welcome, author is bot123, welcome to this Flask web app. We can click on post. Now we can edit this post. This is edited. If I click on save, boom, this is edited. I can even delete my post, but first let me add a comment. Let me add cool post. Post that. And if you click on see all comments, this one I wrote before, but here we have the newest one. It says cool post, and we can also delete this post. Delete. The post has been deleted. Okay, and let me show you the contact me. It works. And hold up, this also works. My YouTube, as I showed you, worked. I can also log out. Now I've successfully logged out. I can click on login once again. Bots at bots.com. 1 2 3 4. Not now. See, it all remains. We can delete our account. Delete account. And this is actually the error which pops up if right now, because I'm using the GitHub login, but trust me, the account gets deleted. Okay, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.